Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, TechVibes is going to show you how to install the fully loaded Xenon build on Kodi 21.3. This setup will give you access to free movies, TV shows, sports, and live pay-per-view events. We are doing this on an Amazon Fire Stick today, but it also works perfectly on Android boxes, computers, and tablets. It only takes a few minutes to complete the process. Sit tight because I am going to show you how to do everything right now. Let me show you how easy all of this really is. First, we need to go into the Amazon App Store and get a utility app. Push left on your remote until you highlight the magnifying glass icon. This will open up a keypad on your screen. Type out the name of the app called Downloader. You only need to enter the first letter because it will show up on the list right away. Slide down, highlight the word Downloader, and click on it. Click the download button one more time to install it on your device. When the app finishes downloading, do not open it just yet. Click the home button on your remote. We need to adjust a few settings on your Fire Stick first. Slide over to the little hamburger menu in the corner of the screen. Scroll all the way to the bottom and click on Settings. Next, look for the option called My Fire TV and open it. Now look for Developer Options on your menu list. If you do not see Developer Options, do not worry because it is very easy to unlock. Click on the section that says About, highlight your main device name line. Now click the center button on your remote exactly 7 times. A pop-up will appear at the bottom saying, "Congratulations, you are now a developer." Click your back button one time and developer options will now be on the menu. Go ahead and open up developer options. The first thing you will see is ADB debugging. Click the center button on your remote one time to turn it on. Next, slide down and click where it says Install Unknown Apps. Highlight the Downloader app on the list and click it one time to turn it to on. Now that you've verified the setting, click Home and find the Downloader tool. Open it up. This tool lets us visit websites and download files directly from the internet. Type the official portal address in the URL box. Once it's correct, click Next. Scroll down the installation site to find the Android APK box and click to start the download. When the pop-up appears, click Install. Click Done once the process is complete. Delete the installation file to save space and enjoy your new setup. Click the Home button on your remote. We need to go back into the settings to adjust one last thing. Go back to the hamburger menu, scroll to the bottom, and click on Settings. Select My Fire TV, open Developer Options, and select Install Unknown Apps. This time, the new Portal Installer app has appeared on the list. Highlight it and click it one time to make sure that it is turned on. Verify that both Downloader and this new application are set to On. Click the Home button on your remote. Go to the middle of the screen and slide across all of your apps until you find the new installer app. Open it up. The app will ask you to enter a new library. Click the center button on your remote 2 times. Type out the library code to access the customized App Store selection. Click Next to proceed. Welcome to the TechVibes customized app selection screen. Once you finish reading the welcome message, click the center button on your remote 2 times. Welcome to the main store interface. You can push to the right to go through all the options alphabetically, or you can click on the gray folder icon. This folder breaks the store into different categories like live TV, movies, and sports. Before we download the entertainment applications, we need to secure the entire device. You must use NordVPN to run smoothly any apps in the device. The installation link is mentioned in the description and comments. Highlight the Secure Network tool in the store, click Download, and let it reach 100%. Click Install App and then click Install one more time. This security application is crucial because it stops your internet provider from blocking your video streams. Now let's download the Kodi app. Look for Kodi inside the library, click on it, and select Download. Make sure you download version 21.3 because the build runs much better on it than the newer version 22. Click Install App and then click Install one more time to finish the process. Once the installation is finished, click the Home button on your remote. Go to the middle of the screen and scroll over to find your newly installed apps. Before opening Kodi, make sure your NordVPN is turned on and connected. Once you are protected, go ahead and open the Kodi application. Click Continue and click Allow to let the app prepare for its first run. When Kodi opens, it will be completely blank. Let's fix that right now. Move up to the little gear icon in the top left corner and click on it. Click on the system box at the bottom right, scroll down to Add-ons on the left menu. Push to the right side of the screen, highlight Unknown Sources and click it one time. Click Yes on the warning pop-up to enable it. Click the back button one time to return to the system menu. Click on File Manager and select Add Source. Click on the line that says None to bring up the keypad. You must type out the repository web address exactly as it appears. Any missing punctuation or incorrect letters will cause an error. Double-check the address carefully and click OK. Name the source Digs123 and click OK. Click your back button until you are on the main Kodi home screen. Scroll down to the Add-ons tab on the left menu. Go to the top left and click on the open box icon. Select Install from zip file. Click on Digs123 and select the Digs repo zip file. Wait a few seconds until you see a notification saying the repository has been installed. Now select Install from repository. Click on the Digs repository and select Program Add-ons. Click on Chef Wizard and select Install. Click OK on the pop-up. The screen might flash for a moment while it installs in the background. Once the notification says the add-on is installed, click the center button on your remote. Select Open on the Chef Wizard prompt. Click on Build menu and select Digs AIO Free. Click Continue. If you see a wizard error, simply switch down to server number 2 and click it again. Wait for the download and installation to complete. Once it finishes, click OK to force close Kodi. Reopen Kodi from your apps list. Let the system load silently for a minute without touching anything. Scroll over to the option that says Choose Your Skin. Select Digs Xenon 2 from the list and click Yes. If the installation gets stuck at 97%, do not worry. Hit the Home button on your remote. Go to Settings, select Applications, and click Manage Installed Applications. Scroll down to Kodi, click Clear Cache, and click Force Stop. Reopen Kodi and select the Xenon 2 skin again. It will finish successfully this time. Once the skin is loaded, scroll down and select Choose a Flavor. Click on the Digs Xenon 2 free version. Click Continue and click OK. The app will force close one last time. Relaunch Kodi and be patient while the interface completely updates in the background. You now have a fully loaded streaming setup ready to go. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button right now. Subscribe to TechVibes so you don't miss the next tech update. Make sure to leave a comment below letting me know your thoughts, and I will see you all in the next video.